Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We welcome you back to Allah's training and coaching program, and we ask Almighty Allah to bless our efforts. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Loom. We mentioned that if you want to pitch, you can pitch with text, as you want to send email to your client, your prospect, your lead. So you can send message to them using the text by just writing the words, and also you can pitch them using Loom. So I want to teach you how to do the Loom today. If you want to download the Loom, go to loom.com. So when you go to loom.com, you can come to the footer here. Under this download, you are going to click on download app. You can see desktop app. You click on it. Then you are going to download it here. Click on this one to download it. So when you download, you install. And if you are using your phone, you can go to Play Store or Apple Store and download it and install it. So after installing it, you are going to log in through the login details we gave to you. For those people who bought our Go High Level Sub account. But if you didn't buy the Go High Level Sub account, you won't have access to this Loom login, because it is only a freebie that we added to those people who actually bought Go High Level Sub account from us. So if you didn't buy that Go High Level Sub account, you won't have access to it. So all you can do is you are going to use the other one, which is text. The only one you can use is text. You are going to pitch your client through text. But this one is for the people who have access to the Loom login details. What you are going to do is that, let's assume this is my list and this is the website of the prospect. I'm going to click on this. I will create a new column like this to the right. So let me call this one Loom. I will create a new column like this, Loom. So I'm going to visit the website of this prospect. So while I visit the website like this is not even a professional website. The person is not having a good website. Okay, let me just leave this one. Let me go to the next one. Alright, so while you are at the website of the prospect, this is also not a very good website. Though these people, they need website. Some of the services you can pitch to these people is website, because they don't have any good website. You can just see their website. Okay, this one is still okay a little bit, but not that okay. Just full of text, nothing like graphics or something. So these websites are not really okay. So these people, they need website design service. So you can pitch website design service to them with a very good template or portfolio. Alright, so if you are on their website like this, you are then going to put on the Loom. Let me click the Loom now. So when you put on the Loom, the very first thing you should do is that you will have gone through their website, look at everything, look at the service you are pitching to them and what you are going to be offering them and what you want to talk about on their website. So this is one thing you can do. So when you put on the Loom like this, you just click on start recording. So when you click on start recording, you just be talking about everything you want to offer them. I mention their name. My name is something. I'm from this particular company. I want to assist you do this. I saw that your website is not that professional. You are going to show your own website, things like that, from another tab. Maybe you should have opened your own website in another tab and show them. So this is what I'm going to be designing for you. Talk about the services you want to render to them. So when you do that, you just click on this stop. So when you do that, immediately the video will be created and you can share the link. You can see the video is already created. You don't have to upload, you don't have to do anything. You can see say recording and then wrote the name of the company. So you are going to edit this and you can delete the date too if you like. So you just leave this one like this. You copy the link. So when you copy the link, you just go to the list. Where's your list here? So you then paste it here. Paste. So you go to the next website too. You close these ones. When you are done, So when you are on the next website, you should have looked at some of the things they have on their website, their clients, the services you want to pitch to them, how your service is going to help them. Look at everything, go through their website, know what they do and things like that. So while you are here like this, you just click on the Loom again. So when you click on the Loom, you click on start recording again. So you say, hi, you mentioned their name, my name is something, I'm from this particular company. I saw that you're having maybe some clients, some success stories. We can use these success stories to get you more clients if you are interested. You start talking about what you're going to offer them. And with this, when you are done, you just click on stop. So the same thing, okay, region indicator. This one too is having region indicator. That's not the name of the company. Let me check. So you have to make sure the name of the company is what you have there. So you can just copy the name of the company like this, copy it, and you go back to where you have the Loom and paste it here. So then you are going to copy this and go back to this place and paste it. This one too, you can go back to it and edit the name of the Loom to the name of the company, things like that. So we are going to continue doing this. So this is how to use Loom to pitch. If you have any service before, maybe you are doing website design, you are doing UI UX design, any service you want to pitch to clients, you can use Loom to do it. And it's one of the best way to pitch. So no matter the service you are offering to people online, you can actually use Loom to pitch them, and it's one of the best way to pitch. Or you want to explain something for someone, instead of you to just type it, you can just use Loom and demonstrate on your laptop. You just copy the link and you send it to the person. These are some of the things we use Loom to do. So that's that. But if you want to use it for this $1 sake, so what you are going to do is that we have already given you this particular sheet and we gave you this Loom audio. So this is how you are going to use it. If you come to this link, you can copy it, go to new tab and download the Loom audio for your particular niche. You know, this for the dental care. So you download the Loom audio for your niche. So let me download this one. I click on download. All right, let me go to the folder. So I'm going to open it with this VLC player. That's the one I can use.
Thank you for taking.
One thing you should do is that whichever one you are using, make sure you go to settings or tools. So you are going to make it to be okay. This is it, always on top. If you put it in this always on top, even if I click on this particular thing is still going to be on the top of everything I'm doing. If I click on this, anything I click on is still going to be on top. So you must make sure you put it in always on top. Very important. So when you put it in always on top, then you now take it back to 0. You now take it to a corner like this, just a corner like this, a corner. So you now go back to your list. So when you open the website, let me open this website of this next prospect. Let me close this one. So if this is their website and it has to do with a dental care service providers, so what I'm going to do is that while I'm here like this, I will put on the Loom. When you put on the Loom, you should come to this place and click on this so that you're going to show the logo, not your face, because a lot of people are going to be using the Loom. So your face will not be here. So you're going to click on this to switch to the logo. Then you are going to come to these settings here. This mic, you are going to put it off. You are going to off the mic so that the Loom does not pick anything I'm saying. So you are going to come to this place. You go to settings and you are going to choose this video and audio. You make sure that the use system audio is on. This one might be off, so make sure it is on. Use system audio. So when that one is on, when the use system audio is on and this mic is off and this one is on the image, then you now click on this. It's going to bring a warning, your mic is muted. To have sound in your video, you will need to unmute your mic. Don't unmute it, to just say continue. When you click on continue, just click on this your audio at one side. You you click on this that I put in one side by the right side. Just click on it and you click on play.
Hi, thank you for taking a few seconds to check out this Loom. I am recording this Loom specifically for
Just be
two
scrolling
reasons.
down.
One,
You'll be scrolling down
I have great interest in your practice.
as if you are the
I
one
really
saying
love
those
how you
things.
help people proffer solutions to their dental problems. The second thing there is that I love to make my
Be
own
scrolling down.
contribution to the success of your practice. I specialize in assisting dental practices like yours acquire high-quality patients. These are individuals
You
actively seeking
can go
dental
to
care
different
services.
pages on their
Here are
website. Just be
5
scrolling
compelling
down.
reasons why I stand out
So
in the
this is what
field
you
of
do
patient.
to the end. So what you are going to use to play it is the pause button, the space bar, the space bar on your laptop. That's what you are going to use
Acquisitions.
and to pause. So while you click on this one from this corner like this, just click on the space bar. It's going to play it.
1.
So and it's going to continue playing. So when the audio completes, just click on stop like this, as if. So the person that is watching the video is going to think you are the one that is saying all those things. He won't know that you are playing it from a particular audio player. The person wants to know. So the person will think that you are the one saying it, and it's going to look very genuine. And it's one of the ways to pitch if you are the one who is afraid to talk. If you are afraid to talk or you believe you are not fluent or something like that, you can use this method. But if you believe you can say all those things fluently, you don't even have to use this audio. You can just download it, learn everything that is there, make sure you can say it fluently, and you say it by yourself. But if you know you are not that fluent or you want to use this one, that's why we provided this one for every niche. So you can use this Loom for every niche, this Loom audio, because we have already provided it for each and every niche. If you go to this place, this for dental care. If you go to assisted living too, you are going to see the Loom audio there. If you go to carpentry, you see the Loom audio there. So that's how to use it. So when you stop it, you are going to like edit this title to the title, the name of the company, then you copy the link, then you go back to this place to paste it here. To paste it here. You then paste it here. So this is how you do it. This is how to use the Loom. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to send the message. Either you are using text or you are using Loom. I'm going to show you inshallah in the next video. We ask Almighty Allah to bless our efforts. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.